This real estate advantage property video is presented by Julia McMahon. Beautiful lakefront property in Quigley Park featuring 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. This home boasts numerous upgrades throughout, including a maintenance-free exterior, new bathrooms, new kitchen with quartz countertops and butcher block bar. A versatile flex room can serve as an office, bedroom, or den. Above the garage, there is potential for guest quarters, adding to the home's functionality. The spacious front and backyard level lot is perfect for entertaining guests. A boat dock with a platform offers a serene spot to sit and enjoy activities on the lake. Conveniently located just minutes from Bemus Point, Chautauqua Institution, and various restaurants and shops. This home combines peaceful lake living with easy access to amenities. Don't miss out on this exceptional property that promises both relaxation and convenience. A list of improvements attached. For more